Hey everyone, do you want to support your favorite content creator on Facebook Reels? Let's learn how to send stars to show your appreciation. To do that, open your Facebook apps from your phone. Now go to your favorite content creator Reels. Like in this case, I love Jack King video editing style, so I'm using these Reels. So after that, just tap on this comment icon here. Now again tap on this comment bar and you can see there's a little star icon. Just tap on this. From here you can see a various option of stars. So let's say I want to send this one. Just tap this. And I don't have any stars, so first of all I have to buy. So let's assume I want to buy this one. Just tap here and it will ask me to add my debit or credit card. Just tap here to add, and here you have to write your card number, your card expire date, and then security code, and then save your card and go back. And after that, buy anyone from the list here and go back. And now just tapping anyone from here, you can send this directly. So that's how you can easily buy or easily send a stars on your favorite content creator Reels to support them. So if you think these videos help you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.